Hey there! Welcome back to all of my subscribers, and if you are new here today, I do hope you consider subscribing. If you are interested in DIY projects on a budget, then kindly hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. With that being said, let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this table using scrap pieces of wood. You can use it as a side table to display all your gorgeous decor, or you can use it as a bedside table. I will be sure to list all items used in the description box below. I glued all my wood pieces together using a quick set wood glue. Using my semi-gloss white enamel, I went ahead and gave the entire frame 2 coats of paint. While my paint was drying, I stained my pine legs using Woodmaster's Universal Stain in Walnut. After adding the hinges, all I had to do was screw in my wooden legs. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, please stay safe.